Hello YouTubers, I'm GameFun124 and welcome to another Minecraft pixel art tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build Birdo from Super Mario Bros. 2 for the NES. For this tutorial, you're gonna need black wool, white wool, and pink wool. So once you found a spot where you're gonna build it, I'm gonna build it right there. We're going to start by putting a row of 8 on the ground like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we're going to go on top and we're going to put 8 again. Counting this block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go up 1. We're going to switch to our pink and go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to go 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a black at the end. Then we can go in 1 of our black, and then 3 pink. 1, 2, 3, and then 5 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting on this, we're gonna go 2 black, in 1, and go 2 black. 1, 2, skip 1. And 2 black. 1, 2. Skip 2. Black. Skip 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the black will make that 3. Next, I'm going to go up and diagonal by 1. And again, 2. And then we're going to make this down into 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go down 1 and in 1. Like that. That one turns into 2. Next, we're going to go back over to this side. On this side of 2 and the outside 1, we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward has 4. Then we're going to go in 1, so it makes 2. I'm going to go to these 2 black wool, and we're going on top. We're going to go 1, 2, and then 1 on top of that. And on top of this one here, we're going to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 this way. 1, 2. And then 3 this way. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like that. Then we're going to go down 2. 1, 2. And we're going to go out 1, 2. Something weird there. Oh no, take that one off, because when you go with 1 that way. And 1, up like so. So it looks like that. So this one should actually be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So when you go out, when you go 1 that way. Next, we're going to come down, and we're going to go right here. We're going to change that to 2. And we're going to come back down to these here. This is going to be pink, and these 2 are going to be pink, like that. So next, we're going to come to this block, this black block right here, and we're going to go up by 2. 1, 2, and over by 1, up by 1, over by 2. So it should look like that. We're going to go up 1, then we're going to make an upside down L, upside down backwards L. We're going to go up on 1 diagonal, make that 2, and make the top one 3, and up diagonal 1, right there, like that. Then we're going to go where Birdo's tail is, and we're going to go down diagonal by 1, make that 2, up by 1, make that 2, and again. It should look like that. Then on this side of 2 right there, we're gonna place one on top. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this in with white. That's gonna be pink. And we're gonna fill this in with pink, and I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, that's what it should look like once you have everything filled in. Now we're gonna move on. There we go here. So on this L looking shape here, on the outside, we're gonna go up diagonal by 1, and we're gonna make it 2. Then we're gonna go in diagonal by 1, and out diagonal by 1. And we're gonna do it again, and make it 2, and then again. Oops, wrong one. Break that one. Oops, like that. And that's what it should look like. Then we're gonna go out diagonal again. And then we're gonna make this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. Now we're gonna come back down here. And on this one here, we're gonna count in 1, 2, 3, and on the third one, bit 1, go up diagonal by 1, again, and make it 2. And we'll place 2 on top, like that. Then we're gonna place 2 more on top, where it ends the 4, and then we're gonna go out 1, 2 this way, and then 1, 2, 3 this way. And then on top, we're gonna go on this block right here and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on top, we're gonna go on this block and go 1, 2, 3, and then at the end, place 1. So it should line up with that. Next, we're gonna come down this block here, this diagonal block here on the right. We're gonna go over, up north diagonal by 1, make that 2, and up diagonal by 1. And it should look like that. Now we're gonna come over to this side and we're gonna go up diagonal by 1, make it 2, and up diagonal 1 again, and again up 1 diagonal, and we're gonna make it 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we're gonna go up diagonal by 2, 1, 2, and one more time, and make it 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to come down diagonal and make it 2. Then we're going to go up diagonal and up 1 more. So it should look like that. Next, we're going to come down diagonal by 1 and again. And we're going to make that 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go up diagonal by 1 and again. And make it 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Then we're going to go back to this side on this set of 3. On this block, we're going to go up by 2. 1, 2, so it should turn into 3. Next, we're going to go over by 1, up by 1, over by 2. 1, 2. So it should look like that. On this block, we're going to place 1, go diagonal by 1. So it should look like that for the 1 eye. Then we're going to go up diagonal and go over 4. Make that 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should look like that. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to place one in the corner. And it should look like that. Next, we're going to come here on this block and we're going to go up diagonal by 1. Oops. So it should look like that. And at the top on this one, we can go up and out diagonal. And then 1. Then up and in diagonal. And on that set of 4 and that one like that. So it should look like that. Next, we're going to come over here. And we're going to find the center of this 7. So right there. I'm going to go over 1. Break it. Next, we're going to go down 1. Over 1. Over 1 more. And then take those 2 out. So it should look like that. Next, we're going to build a mouth. We're going to go on this block. I'm going to go over 2. 1, 2. Place 1. Break those and go 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do 4 sets of 5 on top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do that 3 more times. 2, 3, 4. On this layer, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fill the eyes in with white. And all the open gap here. And there, it's going to be pink. So I'm going to do that. And then we'll take a look at it. Okay, that's what it should look like when you're done. I did forget to tell ya, if this empty no block goes there. And for the final, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pink, we're gonna place one, and down by 2. Should looks like that. So, that's what I want. That's what I wanted. So that's what it will look like when you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any suggestions for any future tutorials, please leave so in the comments. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!